Yeah, somebody was to have told me when we first bought the laundromat at $10,000 a month revenue that in 9 years we would be up around $60,000 a month revenue. I would not have believed it whatsoever. We retooled on our 7-8 year point with the Huebsch, redoing the inside of the laundromat, making nice, bright, and clean. Gave us a big jump in revenue that I wasn't expecting to come so quickly. When we first installed the machines, the customers walk in the door, whoa! The washers have a lot of different options that I didn't have with my old washers. The customers love it. They can select the deep wash, the pre-wash, the delicate. We still have coin, but we also have credit card. So people can pay however they want. Right now, we're about 40% coin and 60% credit card. So it's nice, all the different options that my old washer and dryers never had. And I love the looks of them. It was Rhino Laundry that came over and befriended me and worked with me and convinced me it was time to retool. And it all worked out beautiful for us. They've been really good to work with. I don't think I could have found a better distributor to go with.
Everyone should use something that's nice, neat, clean, bright, where the owner cares. And you can see that here in West Store.
I've known Zach for quite some time, and I've been able to call him 3 a.m. when we had an emergency. Some of my other laundromat buddies around here have went with other distributors, and they have not been happy with the service that they've received. I use Huebsch Command mainly when customers need it or to solve a problem. I have a couple longtime customers that have had really bad health problems in their family. Their husbands have had cancer, and I've been giving them free wash. And I can just go on the command and just start 16, 17, 18, and it helps them out greatly. And it doesn't hurt our bottom line whatsoever. It helps them out, and that's what it's all about.
You know what makes Wes the best laundromat owner is that he cares. All of his customers know him by name.
I think it's important for us to get back to the community and help other people.
Puts his cell phone number on the wall because he wants to talk to his customers to make sure that they're happy. And I'm sad that he only wants to have one store.
If we weren't making the money that we are from this laundromat, yeah, I'd probably need to buy a second laundromat. My wife says I'm semi-retired. I come in 3 hours a day and take care of the items I need to be taken care of. As long as you run your laundromat correctly, financially, there's no stress involved. I don't have to worry about it. I look forward to coming in every day. We've done really well financially, and I don't have a need to buy a second laundromat.